How far do you want it back here? Starts here, so as far as it can go. Alright. I'm gonna have to talk it like right here, that way you don't get too much in there. That's not good about it here. So, I'll just go until it starts to get up here. Alright. Yeah, why are you using this camera? Why are you using this camera? I know, I asked you what your question was on. You did I before? And that was almost enough, wasn't it? I did you put a little deeper? Yeah, I'll come down and,
You know how much this trailer weighs?
It weighs about 5,000 pounds. I think when we came out of the quarry yesterday with truck and trailer and the gravel, it was about 22,000 pounds. So I have to go a little thick right here because then it'll like stop.
Yeah.
And then it won't all go.
Okay. They got 3 tons last time, so.
Okay. A little bit more.
We could probably let some more out here actually.
Okay. Just flow.
It looks like it's twice the weight.
so we can get a portion. Like that. When I drop it up here, I'm probably gonna have to drop it right there and you'll have to brake just because I can't get the. I mean, I can drop it here. I'm just saying, because I've got to start turning and wherever it turns, because backing up is a whole lot harder for us to get. I think the weight. No, we're making more. I think that's a so, we'll just go right there, that's done, and then. It'll be alright. Like right out here, maybe? Or, yeah, I just don't want to get in the end. We'll see. Hopefully not. Oh, no. Ain't nothing. We enjoy doing this type of stuff, for us. It's just... Yeah. I think we shouldn't get too much.
Did the remote come with the trailer?
No, we had to, I think we got it off Amazon, I believe, and just kind of wired it in. It's got like just a 10-foot lead, and you can stand there and hold it, but doing this, that way we can stand back here and see, because you can't really see with the,
Yeah, that saves a lot of time.
yeah, yeah.
This rock disappears real quick, doesn't it? Seems like it's coming in, seems like a lot of rock, and you just see it there.
I mean, we got a house. Then all this room and all.
Yeah.
I got an 800-foot driveway. So we had, I got 7 or 8 rows in the driveway. So, you know, and that's the which is about
20 feet.
4 of these.
That's
But,
good.
you know, you got the dirt.
Gravel, and we were building, was about 18 dollars a ton, like the 40 now, it's on the side of it, Vulcan, I think, is 50. $900,000 for it. Versus, it was 425 when I was building. Vulcan goes up every quarter. They go $2 or $3 every quarter. No, it's just, they can. So, they have a bunch of contractors like the State Department and stuff like that, so, you know, they're going to pay no matter what. And then, like, road guys, most of their business is off of contracts and stuff. Like me and you, we're probably not gonna get from Vulcan just because it's so much more expensive. But you know, people who have the contracts with them and stuff. Good, hey, good. I think he's gonna try to get better. When he thinks that's he's gone. Whatever's easiest and he thinks he can do it, he's gonna do it. First 2 hooks. No, I haven't. Well, I mean, I've heard of it, but I don't think I've ever used it. Oh, yeah. Do you just like spray it on there? Oh, do you have to like do it every year, or is it just one? That's pretty cool. Is that cheap, or is that? Good, you just use 1 gallon for all this? See? Oh yeah, that's good up there. I'm just gonna open this. Maybe? That's not all right. Yeah, it's probably not right. That's right, it's on there. Finger. What's your shoes? And then right there. Right. I know. Huh? Oh, yeah. I have not really covered it. Oh, wow, really? You want to see anything? Is there like a spot right there? Yeah. You don't go long ways.